just as I'm leaving the door. So you found where I live. Let's see. Let's put some right here in the grass for you. How's that? I suppose I could have put it on the sidewalk, but I think you see it. Alright, bye-bye. Yay! Oh, go check it out. Alright, he knows. Kitties! Kitties! Oh my gosh! Oh, I missed out on the kitties. Let's see, a chicken there, and a few way back there. Oh, one maybe behind the wheel. Alright, see you later. Oh. There you are. Hi. You looking fluffy. I got treats for you. Here we go. Alright. There you go. Hey. Alright. You enjoy that. Hey, you're back. You're the same one, aren't you? You just want extra treats. Okay, I'll give you a little bit. Here we go. You be sure to eat all that up and call some friends. Yay, you're just hungry. I'm pretty sure that you're the same one. That's okay. Hey you. Oh, I see your friend in the distance too. Alright, oh, let's see, since you're right here, I'll give you a little something here. You know, we usually meet at the block. Hey. Oh, you're doing just so hungry. What about that guy? You guys join? Yay! Alright. We got friends. I hear Starling too. Probably wanting to join. Alright, I'll see ya. Oh, no! I wanted to look at you. Hey, I thought I saw a shadow. What you doing here? I'm just going over to the Safeway. Let's see. Get you some treats. There we go. Yay. Well, you caught me at the right time. Alright, well, I'll let you enjoy that. Hi. You saw me. Alright. I got treats. 1 second. Okay. There we go. Oh. Quite a bit for you. Hope you're hungry. I'll see you later. Make sure I don't walk into any of these cars. Come on. You gonna do it? Or you gonna wait till I get further away, I guess. Okay. come from? Alright, you need a treat. Let's see. Let's put it right here. There you go. Yay. Alright, another happy friend. Yay. Alright, bye-bye. Hey, kitty! Granger! I saw you! Granger! Kitty, kitty! Kitty, kitty, kitty! Where'd you go? Kitty! Oh, there's my crow. I don't know where Granger went. Kitty! Okay, well, I'll go say hi to you. Hi. There's a kitty nearby. You better be careful. Okay. Sorry about the surprise people. But there's your treat. Slowly gonna go get it. Here, another one. Uh-oh. Danger. Bad kitty, kitty, kitty. Bad Granger. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. We're not gonna go bother him. You're fine. Shush, shush. Go, go, go. Get out of here, Granger. I'm sorry. Let's get this kitty out of here. Kitty. You naughty thing. Kitty, kitty. Okay. Well, I can't guarantee he won't still come after you. But you can eat a few bites in peace. You bad thing. No, kitty, kitty. Psst, 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 psst. No, you don't. You stop that. You bad kitty. I was watching you. I'm protect my friend and let him eat in peace. You bad kitty. You stay here. You don't bother him. No, you don't. You don't even get a look at him. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Are you almost done? We got a bad kitty. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Just went under my car. Finish up. You bad kitty. I see you. I see you looking. You almost done? Finish up. I'm not gonna let this guy get you. He looks like he's mostly done. I still got this guy. He's looking. See, we got a kitty. Bad kitty. Okay, there we go. Bye-bye, Granger.